Hello, this is the WasatchSIPs Display House PEX installation and concrete video. To start off, here's the first half of the foundation being poured. The concrete truck first pours the slab over the PEX tubing. Once the slab is poured, we smooth out the concrete to ensure a smooth floor. While the first half of the foundation is curing, we start installing the PEX that will heat the garage floor. First, we spread a plastic tarp on the ground to have a barrier between the ground and the rigid foam. The foam board is placed and cut to size for the PEX to sit on top. The foam board insulates the PEX tubing to keep the heat from escaping into the ground. The foam boards are recycled. Using recycled foam boards is good for the environment as well as keeping building costs down. Next, a layer of recycled steel mesh is set on the rigid foam. The mesh is used as structure for the PEX tubing to be attached using zip ties. The PEX lines start from the same location where the water heater will be located. We ran the line around the perimeter, then we looped the PEX tubing, switching back and forth, keeping the PEX line about 1 foot apart from the previous loop. The switchback pattern is repeated until the area is filled. Once all the PEX is installed, the second round of concrete pouring begins. Finally, the concrete is smoothed and left to cure.